Hi guys, I am Mickey Mouse. Until 1946, Mickey Mouse was voiced by Walt Disney himself. Regardless of which direction Mickey Mouse turns his head, his ear remains in the same position. This technique is part of the brand. The first hero of the cartoons received a star on the Hollywood Alley of Glory. Hey guys, I am Yurik. A bird in England used to protect the fields from rats. Do not cause allergies. Very brave and courageous dogs are always ready to come to the rescue. Hi, I am a puppy. A very emotional child is distinguished by a great love for animals. The adoptive niece of the Scrooge McDuck always wears pink clothes. Bye bye guys.